So we're going to be doing the hydrogen sulfide test, and remember that when we looked at this here, this is our control. We did indole before, and now hydrogen sulfide. So this is what we're comparing it to. And how did the media change here? We're not looking at this one, we're not looking at the reagent, because remember that's the indole production test. So what we're looking for is this black color here, which it explains more in your book. And that is indicative of hydrogen sulfide gas. And basically it reacts, the sim media that we're using, this one right here, it contains peptone and sodium thiosulfate as a sulfur substrate. And the ferrous sulfate behaves as the hydrogen sulfide indicator. So basically the ferrous sulfate in the medium serves as an indicator by combining with the gas, and it forms this black ferrous sulfide precipitate that is seen along the stab line inoculation, which is indicative of hydrogen sulfide production. So I know that's a lot, but basically you're looking for whether or not the media turned this black color, which would be indicative of hydrogen sulfide production, and these two here, there's no black precipitate, which would be indicative of like a negative hydrogen sulfide. So if you just keep that in mind, hydrogen sulfide gas, when it's produced, produces this black color. You could see that these are clearly positive results. The next section that you're going to need to be concerned about is motility. And motility is when the growth of flagellated organisms is not restricted to the line of inoculation. So what that means is that it gives you a good picture on figure 2. Let me just show you that real quick. So this one is, this is negative for hydrogen sulfide. This one is positive with motility, and this is positive with no motility. So you could see here that the organism's growth here, which is hydrogen sulfide positive, but it's only restricted to the line of inoculation. So it looks like ours are motile. If you look at that. So that would be indicative of motility. So these would be positive motility. So just as a reminder, this is the table. We're only dealing with the 4 organisms that you see, and I'll be giving you picture results as well.